next one is formality. ఫార్ములా వెయిట్ అనేది మనం అయానిక్ కాంపౌండ్స్కి ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేస్తాం. సో నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ గ్రామ్ ఫార్ములా వెయిట్ ఆఫ్ ions or ionic substances per 1 liter solution is known as formality. Number of gram formula weight of ions per 1 liter solution. Formality formula weight అనేది ionic compounds కి యూజ్ చేస్తాము. These are temperature dependent. Percentage volume by volume, percentage weight by volume, molarity, normality and formality. And next are temperature independent, temperature independent. So temperature independent which are mass dependent. So volume మీద డిపెండ్ అవ్వము, ఓన్లీ మాస్ మీద డిపెండ్ అవుతాయి. మాస్ అనేది does not changes with temperature. And in this first one, percentage weight by weight. Percentage weight by weight is nothing but weight fraction into 100. What is weight fraction? Small w is weight of solute. So మనం already discuss చేసుకున్నాం, nominator is always a solute. So this is weight of solute by total weight. Total weight means weight of solute plus weight of solvent, means it is weight of solution. Second one, molality, important, indicated with a small m. Definition చూడండి, number of gram moles of substance present per 1 kilogram solvent. Number of gram moles of substance present in 1 kilogram solvent. ఇక్కడ 2 changes వచ్చాయి. One is volume నుంచి కిలోగ్రామ్ అండ్ సొల్యూషన్ నుంచి సాల్వెంట్కి వచ్చాం. అది జాగ్రత్తగా గుర్తుంచుకోండి. మొలాలిటీ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు స్మాల్ n బై a in kilograms. Here n is equal to number of moles, but what is a? A is equal to weight of solvent and its units are number of moles per kilogram. Moles per kilograms. Molarity units are moles per liter. Normality gram equivalents per liter. Molality moles per kilogram. And n is equal to here weight by gram molecular weight. Moles number formula గుర్తుండాలి మనకి. Weight by molecular weight is moles number formula. Substitute n value here. Weight by gram molecular weight into 1 by a in kilograms, or it is weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 divided by a in grams. Molality is weight by molecular weight into 1 by weight of solvent in kilograms or 1000 by weight of solvent in grams. Relation between molarity and molality. Relation between molarity and molality. Molality small m is equal to 1000 into molarity. Capital M molarity గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి. Small m molality 1000 into m divided by 1000 into d minus m into gmw. So మనం ఆల్రెడీ డిస్కస్ చేసుకున్నాం the factor, the term which is used to relate temperature dependent and independent is density. Density is equal to mass by volume. Small m molality, capital M molarity, d density, capital M molarity, gmw gram molecular weight. Mole fraction, third one. What is a mole fraction? Fraction తెలుసు కదా మనకు. సో బట్ ఇక్కడ మోల్స్ యూజ్ చేసే ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేస్తున్నాము. సో మోల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఈజ్, ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఇండికేటెడ్ విత్ x. x is equal to number of moles of a particular component divided by total number of moles of total components. It is the ratio. It is the ratio of number of moles of components to the total number of moles of total components. So x is equal to number of moles of component is n divided by total number of moles. It is depends upon solute and solvent. Components కావాలి కదా మనకు. So in a solution two components ఉన్నాయి. One is solute, another one is solvent. Solute is indicated with B, solvent is indicated with A. రూల్ ఏమి లేదు, మా B అండ్ A తోటి ఇండికేట్ చేయాలి. సో బట్ మెజారిటీగా మనం బుక్స్లో సొల్యూట్ B అండ్ సాల్వెంట్ Aగా తీసుకుంటున్నాం. అండ్ సొల్యూట్ మోల్స్ నెంబర్ indicated with N and solute indicated with B. Therefore its moles number NB. Moles number of solvent Na. Mole fraction of solute is equal to mole fraction of solute. Mole fraction is indicated with X, solute is indicated with B. XB, that is equal to moles number of solute moles number NB divided by total moles number Na plus N. Similarly, mole fraction of solvent is indicated with A, XA, that is equal to Na moles number of component A divided by total moles number Na plus N. But remember, total mole fraction is always equal to 1. XA plus XB is equal to always 1. Mole fraction is number of moles of a component and total number of moles of total components ratio. And the last one in temperature independent, ppm. Fourth one is parts per million. So what is ppm? Number of parts of solute per million parts of solvent. In million parts of solution, in million parts of solution, number of parts of solute is ppm. So it is ppm is equal to number of parts of solute divided by total parts into 10 power 6. ppm is equal to number of parts of solute divided by total number of parts into 10 power 6. Million is nothing but a 10 power 6, right? These are concentration methods and classified into two types: temperature dependent and temperature independent. And in our next class, solubility of solute substances and vaporization discuss cheskundam.